Hello everyone, welcome to TechPista. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the classic editor on WordPress. WordPress always updates its feature periodically. One of the main modern feature is its text editor. It was changed very long before, but still some people would like to use the classic editor for their convenience. If you would like to use the classic editor, then you have to install. Let's learn how you can do this. You have to log in the WordPress administration page. First you have to check it the new text editor. So you have to go to pages. Then you have to go to all pages. In my WordPress, I have 3 pages. First I have to edit this. So this is the modern editor. That means you can add the widget, any other feature from this icon. Here you have to click on that. It will be open the blog, pattern and media, everything you can use by this feature. This has a many features compared with your classic editor. This is what the WordPress used this modern editor, but some people not like this features because of they are very longly used for the classic editor. So let's learn how we can install the classic editor. Then you have to go to plugins, then click on the add new. By default it shows for the classic editor. If not shows here, you can just search for the classic editor. By default many classic editor has been displayed. I am using to install this plugin. This is the very useful plugin for the same as the classic editor. So I have to install now. So after install we have to click on the activate. So once installed we can go and check it our pages. Now we have to edit the home pages. Now your WordPress has the classic editor. So in this way you can install the classic editor on your WordPress website. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any question, enter the comment section.